Hey guys, it's me Evan again, and today I will be making Forky from Toy Story 4. You need your hot glue gun, you need a red pipe cleaner, a spork, 2 popsicle sticks, darn it, 2 googly eyes, 1 big, 1 small, and a blue rubber band. So, yeah. This is what you're going to do. So, first, you're going to set this right here. You're going to need your hot glue gun. You're going to put some glue right in the center of that. Like so. Oh, darn it. Glue's getting everywhere. You're going to take the other stick, put it across from that, and make it like an X. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you that. You're also going to need, well, these are uneven. Let's try that again. You're also going to need white Play-Doh. Doesn't matter what kind of white Play-Doh it is, but just white Play-Doh. Oh my gosh, I messed up on this. I need to take the glue off. Okay, let's restart that. So put glue right in the center. Okay, and then you're going to place this right here. I have to show you again. So even just in case you didn't get that. And then, oh yeah, you want your spork. Let me put this camera up. You need your spork. You're going to wrap the red pipe cleaner just around twice. You want to wrap it around once and then twice, make like a scarf. If you need to, you can do it 3 times. But 3 times, I usually do 3 times, but sometimes I do 2. But that's Forky. And now you're going to need to glue the eyes. So this is how you need to glue the eyes. There's the base right there. You need to use the hot glue gun again. You're going to need the hot glue gun for a lot of this. Put the glue right there where the eye is going to go. Oh, oops. The things are not in the camera. You're going to place that right there, and you're hoping for that eye to move. And it's moving. And I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. Oh, it won't work. But that's how you have to do one eye. The other eye is kind of complicated. Here. Gonna set the camera like this. So there's one eye. The next eye, you do not need a lot of glue because it's going to be a small eye. That should be good. Just like that. You're going to need to put the eye just like that, and you have the eyes glued on. How cool is that? And now this is where the base comes on. Like, wait, no, it's not. You need your rubber band. You need to glue his mouth, like how you want his rubber band to go. I'm putting mine in like he's like scared or nervous. Here, I'll show you. So here's Forky with the glue everywhere. You're going to need to put this on. Now, oh, darn it. We need to peel this glue off. Okay, the camera needs to as you can see, there's you can't really see that, but that's Forky. We need to get the mouth on. The mouth is going to be kind of complicated. So what I would prefer is this. You might want to just, oh darn it, you burnt my finger. Whoopsies. You might just want to put it on the Forky and see how you want it. I had to redo that because there is a whole bunch of glue. That should be enough for now. Darn it, I keep getting glue on my finger. And then this is where you should be allowed to put the mouth on. I'm putting mine in scared face. Well, I'm trying. Here, I'm gonna pause the video for just 1 second. Okay, sorry. But I had to get all this extra access glue. Well, not that, but I needed to get all the extra glue. And then I hope I don't mess up on the mouth again, cause that's the hardest part. Cause the rubber band is so small. I'm going to need to oh my gosh, all this glue. It's just driving me crazy. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. I need to peel off this glue off because, or else it won't you can see that glue on my finger. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the rubber band and I am going to do that around it. So if you, oopsies. So yeah, so it works a little better. And hopefully that is enough glue. And then you're going to want to put it in the way that you would want it to be Forky. If you would want it fearless, clueless, or however you would want it. Mine's going to be mine's going to be this, if I can get the mouth on. The mouth is the hardest part. Wait, I just had an idea. The way that I want the mouth, I'm going to do it on his face. Where'd that thing go? There it is. And when you're done with this, if you have extra glue, if you have if you have, I can't think of what I was going to say, but I finally got the mouth on. This is how my Forky's going to be. I'm going to try not to mess up the mouth because it took me a while, but that's how mine is. That's as best as I can do it. But this is where the interesting part is from. Oh darn it! Sorry, I accidentally paused the video. But here's the part that I was trying to say. You need the base. You need the base. This part you will not need the heart. Wait, yes you might. Yeah, you will. but you're going to have to. This is the part where you're going to. Oh darn it! The mouth came undone. I had to pull that off because it happened. Oh my gosh! I don't know what to. It's just the mouth. The mouth is like the hardest part, like, of the whole thing. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video for just a second. Okay guys, I finally got the mouth on, and it's not looking too great, but if you like it, comment down below. But I still have to put the base on, so this is how you're going to do the base. You're going to need your can of Play-Doh. Okay, you're going to want to open your can of Play-Doh. And by the way, I made another Forky at home after school. But you're going to need more. You're going to need white Play-Doh. And they're screaming out in their living room. But you're going to need to put it all around the base. If you guys want, you can hot glue it, because I'm going to, so it does not, like, so it doesn't come undone. But I think I might need some more white Play-Doh. This thing's too high up on the chin. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. Okay, there we go. You're gonna need to get all of the rest of the white, not all the rest, but most of the white Play-Doh, and put this on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some Play-Doh. Okay guys, so here is my Forky. I did get some more Play-Doh, and I also glued the Play-Doh inside so it would stick to Forky, and I also glued around him around the base. But yeah, here's Forky from head to toe. And he does have a rainbow on his left foot, but I didn't have the things to make that. And he also has like this line that goes across his head. His head, oh my gosh, his head, but I didn't have enough for that either. So, I'll see you. Bye!